Every day was a fight for survival until Jackie found a way out.
There's a director come to our school to pick up some child actor. They want like 4. I'm the one of them on the location.
And though Jackie was at the bottom of the movie world, there was one person he looked up to.
I remember when he becoming a big star, I was a stunt guy.
Bruce Lee was earth-shattering, respected, envied, even worshipped.
Inspired by Bruce, Jackie worked hard to make sure he'd never go hungry again. And when Jackie got the opportunity to work with his idol, he was determined to show his skill.
Under the Dragon fighting with Bruce Lee, and I was behind the camera waiting. Then I just ran up. Suddenly my eyes all black because he just one stick right on my head. Then he just throw the 2 sticks, just turn around. Oh my God! He ran to me and lift me up. I'm sorry. And actually I'm not pain anymore because young guy and me, very tough. But suddenly, I don't know why, I just pretend very painful. Oh, I just want Bruce Lee hold me as long as he can. The whole day, whatever filming and every shot, he turn around. I said, it's so nice to hit by Bruce Lee.
Impressed by Jackie, Bruce made sure he got more work.
Over time, he have to pick up few stunt guy, follow 24 hours, so we get double pay. Oh, he just, tell this guy. Then, me? Oh, okay. Wow, I know he's special. Give me earn some more money.
Jackie thought this was the start of a lifelong friendship.
One day, I was walking the street. In front of me, then I see Bruce Lee. Hi, Jackie. I said, hi, where are you going? I said, I'm going to play bowling. You going to play bowling? I go with you. When I get there, wow, everybody, Bruce Lee. I said, yeah. I was very good. I showed to him how good I am. Then he said, Jackie, yes, I think I'm leaving. I said, okay. I sent him to the street. We got the taxi. Very funny feeling. He opened the door, turned around. He just walk. I said, bye-bye. I call him Dragon Brother. Then he turned around. He tried to say something. He didn't say it. He just turned around.
To express oneself honestly, not lying to oneself, that, my friend, is very hard to do.
But Jackie would never find out what Bruce wanted to tell him. The world was shocked when 32-year-old Bruce Lee suddenly died at the top of his game.
Maybe.
The industry scrambled to find a Bruce replacement, and they chose Jackie.
All my life, just something push me. One step. Boom! Big success. Then the audience, yes, something new. Everybody go to see it.
And he even carried on Bruce's legacy by forging his own path.
Do you still think of yourself Chinese, or do you ever think of yourself as North American?
You know what I want to think of myself? As a human being. Under the sky, under the heaven, man, there is but one family.
When I make movie, that's a good message. Very important. It's love. Love for your people, love for your family, peace around the world. Every day I just do the best I can. I choose the good things, do my own way. Never give up. One day you'll succeed.